Okay, so this time, we are going to talk about how are we going to conduct the Pichaco-cha. Let's go over the guidelines. So, the guidelines for the Pichaco-cha. Balikan na to, no, kay murag dili ka ito klaro sa to. Okay, so Pichaco-cha is skillfully delivers a speech for a special occasion through utilizing effective and verbal and non-verbal strategies. Okay, so we'll go to the criteria. Okay, napa. So, an event category of readathon that determines how well learners deliver a speech for a special occasion through utilizing effective verbal and non-verbal strategies and information and communications technology resources. So, the materials to be provided by the participants are laptop installed with MS PowerPoint 2010 or latest version. Then, lapel. So, they need lapel if possible. To be provided by the organizers. Tayo yan, no? So, we have projector or LED screen or TV 55 inches. Extension cords, HDMI, VGA cables, flash drives. So, muna ganito na to. So, mabalik ta, we are going to talk first the criteria for judging. 40% about the composition. Compose a short, logical, and coherent speech relevant to given topic or theme. So, talking about theme, we are going to choose this time and decide as a group what will be the theme of our competition for Pichaco-cha. So, na naman tigipili-pilian ka ganina, so ato na lang to siyang balikan. Yeah. Use words that represent own thoughts, feelings, and expressions. So, we have talked that already, kanina. Then, cite sources properly. So, 40% na siya. Okay, delivery and voice projection. Speak clearly, distinctly, and with appropriate and varied poses, pitch, and tone modulation. Okay, so what is your suggestion? Can you kindly clarify about the appropriate and varied poses, pitch, and tone modulation? Kaya pasuuton man din sila og one. It's formal. Kaya pasuuton sila og formal attire. Katong murag o coat. Oh, so formal siya ang dating, no? So limited ang iyang mga movements. It should be formal and dignified. Ang dating ang delivery pati na iyang tone. 30% na siya includes project loudly enough for the audience to hear, deliver the speech in a formal, dignified, engaging, and persuasive manner, perform within allotted time. So, 30 minutes. Ibig sabihin, pag lalampas siya sa oras, meron na siyang deduction. No, kaya nag-set man siya of perform within allotted time.
Yes, hindi siya deduction.
Okay, so 30% din siya.
Hindi mag-stop.
Why not? Anyway, na-stop man siya. Makabalo man ang mga participant, na-stop man.
Anyway, kaya naman po tong flag. Okay, for media presentation, it has 20%. Use appropriate and effective presentation standards. Color, effects, animation, number of lines per slide, images. So, 20%. Stage presence, 10%. Show confidence and appropriate posture or projection, facial expressions, and gestures. So, muna Pichaco-cha na criteria for judging. Okay, so drawing of lots. The first thing that we are going to do, drawing of lots muna by the participants for their identifier shall be done 30 minutes before the event proper. So magpabunot tadaan sa ilaha. Mag-abot dito. Nakalimot ko kung kasi mag-prepare aning bunot-bunot. Pwede ka, J?
Doctor.
As a doctor. Ikaw, Sir Isidro. Hi, Sir Isidro. Okay. Judge mo ka. Judge mo ka. Okay. Grade 10 kami. We have 9. Okay. 7 na lang. Okay, so next, Picha Kucha has 4 phases. Phase 1 is text immersion. So they are given 30 minutes for phase 1, which is text immersion. So also maning text immersion. 3 grade level appropriate informational text. So take note ani ha. 3 grade level appropriate informational text. So kay grade 10, ang dapat ang mga text, if in case we are going to include informational text, dapat pang grade 10. Stored in a flash drive shall be provided to the participants by the national, wala nila. Okay, this shall be retrieved from them before the presentation. Okay, so next, learner participants shall be given 30 minutes to read the text. If text ang atong ihatag. Okay. Okay, phase 2. Mo ang phase 1 ha. Phase 2, topic outlining. Kaya hatagan naman nimo sila. Balikan na to ha. Ato bitong paghatag sa flash drive, syempre mauna nakasuyop. Ayaw sa ipa-open. Sir Isidro. Ayaw sa ipa-open. Dapat huwaton nga mahuman og save tanan bago mag-open, mag-start. Bago mahatagan silang 30 minutes para sabay sila. Okay, so topic outlining 20 minutes, sir. Sila topic outlining 20 minutes. Learner participants shall be given 20 minutes to outline his or her presentation using laptop. So kanya-kanya og laptop ang kada contestants. Okay, muna ang sa phase 2. Phase 3, presentation preparation. So, pag prepare na po nila silang presentation, they already have 40 minutes. So, 30 plus
20.
30 plus 20 plus 40, pila na?
1 hour and 30 minutes.
1 hour and 30 minutes. So, all in all, they have 1 hour and 30 minutes to prepare. Okay. So, during the presentation preparation, learner participants shall use MS PowerPoint, applying the presentation standards and utilize available text resources like images, graphics, or any found in the MS PowerPoint. So, in other words, kay text, dili lang kay images lang. No? Sa ilang ipasabot din, no? Like yung informational text nga itong i-feed, maliban sa kadtong pag-apply nila og mga images or graphics dito sa PowerPoint, paghimo. Di ba? Naagyo text daan, katong dito sa phase 1, then pag-abot din sa phase 3, saka na nila insertan o images or graphics. Silang presentation.
Ang style ano nila mamnot ng foundation, informational text, so, available na graphics na sa MS na nila. Hindi man sila pwede din na maka-download.
Bawal na cellphone sila.
Pero ang gihatag na natudaan sa ila dapat na rin mga images and graphics. Sila na yung bahala mag-utilize sa MS.
Sila na yung bahala. Okay, so sige. So ato i-finalize karon kung muhatag batag informational text or purely images only.
Duha din ang sama.
Pwede
Duha
ka
ba
mahatag
ihatag?
informational text and images.
Okay, wala ito. Supporting details.
Para naa sila baseline. Sige.
Sila.
So later na ta mo decide karon what will be the theme.
Theme first.
So we are going to provide text, provide tag text, provide informational text, then images or graphics. Pero ang graphics makita na dito sa mga shapes doon, no? Maka-insert naman sila, so dito na sila magkuha. Okay, so muna to. Each presentation shall be limited 15 slides. 15 slides lang, sir. Then each slide shall be automatically timed 20 seconds ang kada slide. So, imuhag hapon na, sir, no? Ikaw na yung program, no? By Sir Isidro pa rin. Presentation shall be 5 minutes only. So, pag-present nila ani sa actual na, 5 minutes lang. Okay. Now, learner participants is given 30 minutes to prepare his or her presentation and 10 minutes to rehearse Okay. So, naapa sila, after pagbuhat nila ana,